All right, let's dive right in. Today we're looking at a project called Our Living Trinity, and we're going to zero in on what they call the blueprints of glory, which is basically its entire creative engine.
So you're looking into this project and you come across a sentence like this. Maximilian is suturing the magic to the machine. And you probably think, what in the world does that even mean? It's weird, it's poetic, and that's totally on purpose. This is the language of what they call the AI realm. And that's our mission today. We're going to grab the map, so to speak, and decode this language so we can really understand the mechanics whirring away behind all the magic. So first things first, you got to understand how this project even talks about itself. It's got this kind of dual track language going on where they're constantly translating this big, grand vision into something real, something you can actually hold. Check this out. This slide breaks it down perfectly. The vision is super poetic, moving windows into the soul of the mouse. But the reality? It's a 4K video file, simple as that. And here we go again. The ancient map to the AI realm is in reality a high-res digital guidebook. Once you get this whole vision versus reality framework, the entire project just clicks. It's their hybrid handshake between the mythic and the technical. And that brings us right back to that first quote, remember? Suture. This word is a huge deal in their dictionary. It's all about stitching two totally different things together, the human, artistic side and the precise machine side, to make one single, seamless piece of work. This idea is absolutely central to their whole process. Okay, so now that we've got the decoder ring, let's see how they actually build this kingdom. It all starts with the art, a collection of original sketches they call the blueprints of glory. So, what exactly are these blueprints? Well, you've got two main sets, the 8 plates of glory and then another 36 illustrated plates. But listen, these are not just random drawings. They are the absolute foundation, the source code for everything that comes next, from the animations to the books. And this charcoal and amber style, that's their signature. It defines the whole visual vibe of the project. It's got this gritty, warm feel to it that you see everywhere. It's their visual fingerprint. Okay. Now we get to the really fascinating part. How do they take these flat, static, charcoal and amber sketches and make them move, make them breathe? They have a name for it, of course, the visual metamorphosis. Put simply, the visual metamorphosis is the AI-driven engine that animates those 36 foundational plates. This is the moment where human artistry, those original sketches, gets handed off to the machine. So let's walk through this pipeline. Step 1, you start with the human-made art. That art then gets fed into AI models, which generates cinematic motion. From there, everything's rendered out in beautiful 4K. And in the final step, it's sutured, yep, there's that word again, to the scribe's narration, making sure the voice and the visuals are perfectly in sync. And they're not shy about the tech they're using. The source material names them, VO and Nano Banana 2. These specific AI platforms are the technical heart of the whole operation. So why go through all this? Why this specific process? Well, this number right here tells the whole story, 95%. The project claims this AI pipeline gives them a 95% efficiency gain over traditional animation methods. That is just a wild figure. And this chart really puts that into perspective with dollars and cents. I mean, trying to make 36 high-quality music videos the old-fashioned way, you'd be looking at over 180 grand. With their AI system, it's closer to 10,000. The difference is just massive. So here's the crucial point. This is way more than just a neat animation trick. This whole visual metamorphosis pipeline is the very heart of the project's strategy to build a multimedia world that can actually sustain itself. And of course, they have an official name for this strategy, recursive content engineering. It's a whole system designed for maximum production value with, and this is key, zero waste. This graphic lays it all out for us. You can see how everything flows together. Phase 1 is a written chapter. Phase 2 creates a song from it. And Phase 3, our visual metamorphosis, uses art inspired by that song to create the animation. See how that works? Every single step provides the raw material for the next one. Nothing gets wasted. And you can see this baked right into their crowdfunding model. Notice Phase 3 is called the narrative animation. It's a dedicated $10,000 funding milestone specifically to power this animation engine. This isn't an afterthought. It's a core, planned-out piece of the entire build. And what's the ultimate payoff? The system is designed to fuse the music from Phase 2 with the animations from Phase 3 to create a massive library of 36 complete MTV-caliber music videos. That's an asset that would be financially impossible for most indie projects to even dream of.
This quote from the source really nails the whole philosophy. It's a modular industrial build. Every single phase leverages the assets created in the one before it, making the whole system incredibly efficient and totally interconnected. So when you boil it all down, the real magic here is this powerful synergy. This is not about AI replacing artists, not at all. It's about using AI precision to amplify human artistry, turning those initial creative sparks into a vast, interconnected, and financially sustainable multimedia empire.
And that kind of leaves us with a big question, doesn't it? We're seeing this kind of human-AI partnership pop up more and more. So is this model from Our Living Trinity, where human vision provides the soul and AI provides the industrial muscle, is this the new blueprint for independent creative projects? It's definitely something to chew on.